being on summer break is kind of like being in quarantine all over again. What I'm realizing looking around our space is that there's a lot of stuff I have that I don't use and will not use, and it's kind of just excess clutter. So I want to really minimize our stuff, especially our bookshelf and my closet, my side of the closet, and just little things here and there. I don't use all of the stuff, and it's really overwhelming our space, and I want to replace all that clutter with plants. So right now I'm going to Target and I will do some plant shopping, just little plants here and there to kind of accent the space. So I know just where to put this. I'm going to put this in the bathroom. I already have a little vase, and I'm thinking these for a bookshelf, just a little pop of plant color.
Yeah.
Welcome to our new home.